morning, students. Welcome to the next revision lesson on the chapter Knowing Our Numbers. First, we learn estimation of numbers. So, you remember how we estimated numbers, right? Estimation is done to have a rough idea about the exact quantity. When, for example, you have gone to a party where some people have come, okay, and you come back and tell your friends that I went to a party where around for 2000 people were there. Okay, so it is not really necessary that exact 2000 people will be there, right? So we get a rough idea about the exact quantity by rounding it off or by estimating it. So we learn to estimate the numbers uh, nearest to the given places. Okay, so first example is round off 167 to the nearest tens. When we have to round off any number to nearest tens, what we do, we look at the ones place digit. Okay, if it is 5 or more than 5, then the ones place digit becomes 0, and if it is and 1 is added to the tens place digit. Okay, and if it is less than 5, then ones place digit becomes 0 and no changes occur in the tens place digit. So in this question we have to round off 167 to nearest tens. So is 7 less than 5 or more than 5? It is more than 5, so it will become 0 and 1 will be added to the tens place digit, that is 6. So 167 will become 170. Okay, next example, round off 2342 to nearest hundreds. Same rule applies here also. What we do to round off to nearest hundreds, we look at the tens place digit, and the same rule applies. If it is less than 5, then tens and ones both become 0 and no changes occur in the hundreds place digit. So 4 is less than 5, so it will be 2300. Next, round off 69,680 to nearest thousands. Now in this case we will look at hundreds place digit. So it is more than 5, so it will, all the digits after the thousands place will become 0 and 1 will be added to the thousands place digit, that is 9. Now when it will be added to 1 will be added to 9, then it will become 10, right? So 10 is not a digit, so we will add 1 to the 10,000s digit as well, so it will be rounded off as 70,000. Okay, next we learned about estimating sum and difference. So let's see the examples. So estimate the sum 890 plus 7256 by rounding off each number to its hundreds place. Okay, we have to round off each number to its hundreds place. So see, many questions can be there. Round off each number to its hundreds place, round off each number to its highest place. So we have to follow whatever instructions have been given, and if no instruction has been given, you have just been asked to estimate the sum, then you add both the numbers or all the given numbers to their highest places. Okay, so in this question hundreds place is given, so we will round off each number to its hundreds place. So 890 will become 900 and 7256 will become 7300. Okay, so estimated sum will be 900 plus 7300, that is 8200. Okay, now estimate the difference 4379 minus 789 by rounding off each number to its highest place. So first number will be rounded off to nearest thousands because highest place is nearest is thousands place, and second number will be estimated to nearest hundreds because its highest place is hundreds. So they will respectively become 4800 and the difference will be 3200. Okay, next, estimating product and quotient. Estimate the product 679 into 3490 by rounding of first number downwards and second number upwards. Now to estimate the product, we do the same thing again. Okay, whatever instruction has been given, we accordingly round off each number to according to that instruction, and then we find the product. Okay, so here we have to round off first number downwards. Now what does this mean? Downwards means regardless of the digit, at whatever digit concerned, you always make it smaller. Okay, and upwards means you always make it larger. So 679 will become 600 because you have to round it off downwards, and 3400 4000 because you have to round it off upwards. Okay, so estimated product will be 600 into 4000, 24 lakh. Okay, next, estimate the quotient 6389 divided by 362. So here no instruction has been given, so we will round each number to its highest place. So 6389 will become 6000, and 362 will become 400. Now estimated quotient will be 6000 divided by 400 is equal to 50. So this was all about estimation. I hope it is clear now. Now we come to use of brackets. See, solve these questions. 78 into 102. See, we use brackets to make the solution easier. Okay, so we can write it as 78 into 100 plus 2. Right. So 78 will be multiplied to 100 also, and 78 will be multiplied to 2 also. So it will be 78 into 100 plus 78 into 2. So we'll have 7800 plus 156, that is 7956 is our answer. Okay, so this is a quick way of multiplying with the use of brackets. Now we can use it another way around also. Okay, 45 into 105 minus 45 into 5. So you see that two products are there and they are getting subtracted, and you see that in both the products 45 is there. So what we do, we take 45 common and put the remaining numbers inside the bracket. So 105 minus 5. Okay, so it will become 45 into 100. So it will be 4500. So easy it is, no? So this is the use of brackets in both ways. Roman numerals. This is the table for the Roman numerals. 1 is I, 5 is V, 10 is X, 50 is L, 100 is C, 500 is D, 1000 is M. Now 5000 is V bar because it is 5 into 1000, and 10,000 is X bar because it is 10 into 1000. Okay, and it will go on. So question is there, express in Roman numerals. 89. So students, some rules are there to write the Roman numerals. See, some of the Roman numerals get repeated, like I, X, C, M. These get repeated. Okay, and they can be repeated only 3 times. Like I can be repeated only 3 times to give 3. X can be repeated only 3 times to give 30. C can be repeated only 3 times to give 300, and so on. V, L and D can never be repeated. Okay, and to write the numbers, what we do, when the smaller one is written before the larger one, then it is subtracted from that. Like for example, if I is written before V, then it becomes 4. 5 minus 1. Okay, and to add, we write it after the number. Okay, so these were the rules for Roman numerals. Let's see what will be the value of 89. So it will be written as LXXXIX. Okay, so L is 50, triple X is 30, so it becomes 80, and IX is 90. See here that I is getting subtracted from X to give 9. Okay, 672. DCLXXII. D is 500, C is 100, it becomes 600. LXX is 70 and II is 2. And 2424, what is the value of 1000? M. So how many times will it be written? 2 times. Then after that 400. So how will write 400? CD, absolutely correct. And 2 20 XX and 4 IV. So it will be MMCDXXIV. So here we complete the revision of the chapter 1. So study hard, and whatever you have questions, ask in the online classes. Have a good day.